Hello everyone and welcome again. In this video we are going to see how we can detect multiple keyboard buttons being pressed on your phone. So let's say that we have this phone here and it has three events to work with keys. So it has on key down, on key up and on key press event. And this looks like pretty simple, right? If we go on a key press, it has a sender and a key that has been pressed on your keyboard. So I can simply say show message key, and it will pretty much output the key that we press on our keyboard. So if I click G, T, 5, J, okay, so it pretty much outputs that character or the letter that we hit on our keyboard. But what I want to demonstrate today is how to detect if multiple keys have been pressed. For example, I want a combination of three keyboard buttons pressed at the same time. In order to do that, I will not be using the on key press event. I will be using a combination of on key down and on key up events. First thing is I'll go into this form declaration and I'm going to create three variables of bool type, pressed Q, pressed W and pressed E. So I'm going to check if a combination of Q, W and E is pressed at the same time. And I'm just going to go in my constructor and pretty much I can say that the default values are false, false and false. Right, so I don't need to specify that in a constructor, but I will also specify this in on key up event. On key up, I will pretty much reset those variables. Okay, and now we come to on key down event. So that is the most important event in this case. Now we need to somehow check if a combination has been pressed at the same time. So we can add the following if statement. If key equals, and now I need to say if that was a Q, a letter Q in this case. In order to do that, we need to find virtual key codes for each of the buttons, and those can be found on a Microsoft website, and here we can see those virtual codes for each of the buttons. And I'm going to search for a Q, and it is this one, and if that key is not already pressed, okay, then in that case I'm declaring this variable as true. Okay, and I'll do the same thing for two other keys. So that will be for W and E. So I need to find virtual key codes for W and E. W is 57 and E is 45. Okay. Okay, and now what we need to check if I pressed Q and press W and pressed E, then show message Q, W, E pressed. Okay, and now let's see if this works. We run this and I'm going to press a combination of Q, W and E, and it works. Okay, and that's how it's done. Why did I show this video? Because well, it's easy to detect one key being pressed, right? But this is a way you can detect multiple keys pressed if you want to create some more complicated shortcuts in your applications. Thank you, and see you soon.